Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to repost someone's post on Threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, first of all, open up the Threads app. You can see that in each post, there are 4 buttons, and those buttons indicate like, comment, repost and share. So in order to repost someone's post, you have to click on the repost button, which is this one. Now these two options indicate whether you just want to repost it normally or you want to repost it with a code. Here I'm just gonna click on repost. Now go to your profile page and you can see that the post has been reposted. And that is how you can simply repost someone's post on Threads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.